Hi, my name is Adam from Aramar, and in this video we will learn about how to add widgets into Planning Analytics Workspace book. Why adding widgets? Well, just like pizza, base cheese and tomatoes are fine, but toppings like pepperoni and pineapple just add personality to it. So with widgets, we can add unique personalized feelings to the PAW book. To add widget in your book, click on the widget menu button on the left side of the toolbar. Here we can see all available widgets. There are standard widgets, text, image, media, web page, and action button. We can also add shapes into the book. I can use these shapes together with action button to create a specialized menu, which I will be discussing in another video. Now let's try to add widgets into the book. First is text. To add text into the book, we can either click on it or drag and drop the widget into the book. Then type in your text. We can modify the text properties using Properties menu on the top right hand corner. For example, we can change the fonts, size, and color. If font size is set to auto, the text will automatically adjust its size according to the page. We can also change the general properties of the font, such as text box fill color and its opacity. Now you can explore and try all available options by yourself. Next is image widget. To add image into the book, we can either click on it or drag and drop image widget from the menu to the book. However, the image added must be a hosted image. For example, I will add Aramar logo into this book. I get the Aramar logo URL from the website and paste it to image URL field. After adding the image, we can resize and adjust its properties using the Properties menu. Next widget is media. Using this widget, we can add hosted videos into the book, such as YouTube to be played within the book. Like image, we can reference the video URL link to the widget URL field. Here's an example of adding a YouTube video into the book. Now I can play my video within PAW books. I can also embed web page into my book. For that, I can use web page widgets in the menu, drag and drop the web page widget and paste URL link of the web page I want to embed in my book. Finally, what I think is the most important widget, the action button. Action button can do many things such as navigation, running a process, and AI job. I will show you an example of what I use action button for. Here's my financial reporting book. I used the action button to create a navigation menu. I will discuss action buttons in detail in another video. That's it for now. I hope you can make interesting books with Planning Analytics Workspace widgets. Don't forget to subscribe to Aramar's YouTube channel for more Planning Analytics Workspace on cloud content. Bye.